Hey guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play The Love You Want by Penny Ty. Let's take a listen. All right, and that's just the tip of the iceberg on that one. There's a lot more to that one. It's a very nice piano arrangement in this. Nice to play. So guys, welcome to our online community. I know this is a difficult time for all of us. We are praying for all of you. And I know our slogan is gather together, though we're trying to social distance right now. We can still gather together in spirit because there's no distance in spirit, right? We can play music still and still do that at home. So maybe during this time, if you're stuck at home and you're bored, play some music, play piano, learn all those songs you always wanted to learn. All right, so we're going to get started with that today. Now, this is a song that I didn't know. I had kind of a special hard request list for some of my close friends of Web Piano Teacher, and one of my best supporters ever chose this one to do. And it's a nice arrangement. It's really, really cool to play as a piano solo thing, so let's do that. If you are a member of webpianoteacher.com, you can download the sheets for this. It comes in handy when you're trying to practice. But let's get going with it. All right, so here we are on the Kawai MP11SC in the studio. I'm using the concert piano sound, very kind of a mellow, nice sound for piano solo stuff. And kind of up on the piano. Here's middle C. We're a little higher. All right. If you're like me and someone has allergies, you know, you're kind of coughing all the time anyway, so everybody's looking at you. But it's funny, a little bit. But all right. So yeah, being spring, all the pollen's out and everything, so we do the best we can, right? So we start with a C above middle C on the right hand, and then the left hand is going to come in with an F below middle C and go F, C, and then the right hand already there. You just played this C right here. You're already there. F, G, back to that same C. So C, that one's held a little bit. Bum, bum, bum. F, G, C, and then a C on the left hand. F, G, E. Okay, so you reach up for that E there. So it's bum, ba, 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 ba. And you can hold the pedal for all of that. 3, 4. Okay, so there's the first measure. Bum, bum, 3, 4. Okay. So we're going to go to the next measure now. That was an F chord. Now we're going to go to an A chord. So we start with A, E on the left hand. Then the right hand comes in with G, A, C sharp. And then E on the left hand again. And then G, A on the right. And then a high A. So bum, 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 2, 3, and 4. And that G comes right at the end. Okay, let's tie that together. Beginning, go C, 3, 4. And now, finally on this measure, we have some chords. Make sure as you're practicing, I have to remind you guys all the time, even those of you who can play a little bit now, that you have to practice with a purpose, with a plan, and little bits at a time, right? Take that first measure. Don't move on from that first measure till you can play it. Then go on to the second one, learn it, and then tie them together, okay? Build instead of trying to get it all done at once. We can't just do everything at once, right? We have to choose what we're going to work on and stay on that until we have it. You'll have a lot better time. You'll feel like you're successful at the end of your practice, which is what we all want. Motivates us to keep going, okay? So we had kind of broken chords in the first two measures. Now we're going to actually play a blocked chord, so let's get to that in measure 3. We have... So you're already there. You don't have to move around. Your G is there. You played here. You just add a G and a D on the bottom. And then F. All right. With that, you're going to play B flat, C, and D. And the left all right together. All right next to each other like that. Okay. Then we'll add an F on the left hand. The right hand will have A, D, F. Play that together. Bum, bum, 2, 3, 4. Then one more D. So it's 3, 4, and one more. You can hold the pedal for that. All of it. It's okay for all that to mix together. Okay. It's a nice color of sound there. All right, let's try it all. Ready, and 3, 4. 3, 4. All right, guys, there's our part 1, and all the rest of the parts, of course, on the website. Hope you guys have fun learning this one as well as many other songs as we're just, staying inside playing music and loving our family. Talk to you guys later.